Stock history function allows you to retrieve a stock data for a given date. Its syntax includes stock name, start date, end date, interval, headers, and properties. Let's look at an example. I want to know the Apple stock price for the June 1st, and I want to know the open price, close price, the high, low, and the volume for that particular day. So I will be using stock history function. Now you can see the syntax here. It is asking me for the stock. So if you are going to type the name of the stock manually, you need to put it under double quotation mark like this. Or you can simply take the reference of the cell also. Now the start date, like on which date I want the price. So that will be June 1st. I will skip the end date for now, and I will skip the interval also. Coming up to the header, I will select no header, and then I want open price like this. Here we go. In the same way, we can have it close, high, low, and volume price for that particular day. Let me freeze the date. I'm going to scroll it. Now for the close, I just need to make the modifications here, and I will select close. For high, it will be 3, and for low, it will be 4. The volume will be 5. So the properties, the last argument of the syntax, varies from 0 to 5. The default value is 0 and 1, which means if I'm going to use the stock history function, and if I give the date, I skip the end date and interval, I will select no header, and if I skip the last properties argument, so it will give me the date and the close price, which is by default. In the same way, you can create a stock screener for different stock like this, which will vary when you change the date.